This song is called, oh, shit, my bad. This song is called Miss Black is Back. And the meaning of Miss Black is Back is basically, in 2007 when I first got a deal with Southern Arrogance, I came out and I was doing my thing, but I wound up getting pregnant with my daughter, so I had to kind of like stop with the music thing. She became my #1 priority, and I had to like continue to be a mother, learn how to be a mother as long, along with being a rapper and a singer, along with being an entertainer, along with being somebody in the spotlight. I had to first learn how to be a mother for my child, so I took like 2 years off. So probably from 2008 to 2010, from the time I got pregnant to the time she was about 1, I just went ahead and took a break. But Black is Back means that break is over and I'm back. And I know some of these red chicks out here been running the game, but I just want them to know that the game has now changed, because Black is back. And it goes a little something like this. I'm going to do an acapella for y'all. This is what you call raw talent. There you go. You're going to go like this. Come on. Come on, we're going to do this like this. Snap. Snap with me. Come on. Y'all don't feel me. Snap some more. Snap. 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 Snap some more. Snap. Snap. Here we go. Here we go. Miss Black is back. That's where it's at. We blowing stacks. Turn around and make it back. Come on. Yeah. Miss Black is back. That's where it's at. We blowing stacks. Turn around and make it back. Black diamond doll on my toes never fall. I fly first class in the sky, I fall. Put you on hold while I'm on a business call. Money freak in a suit, when you see me don't stall. I want that Camaro, so I'ma go and get it. Candy purple inside, gut sick with it. 26-inch cross, see my face in it. Hop on 95T black, stay missing. Silky pretty skin, got them chinky eyes. Call me sexy slim, real smooth, nice thighs. Ain't got a lot of ass, but enough for your grip. I can shake it so fast, big booty hoes trip. Black Japanese, make them niggas scream. Let your window down, feel a Tokyo breeze. I like the ladies, but I'm strictly dickly, cause you might get wet when you're looking at me. Oh yeah, Miss Black is back, come on. That's where it's at, come on. Yeah, we blowing stacks. Turn around and make it back, come on. Yeah, Miss Black is back, come on. That's where it's at, come on. We blowing stacks, come on. Turn around and make it back, yeah. Showtime, I'm the next best thing. Tokyo Black, a.k.a. Black Queen. I'm the queen bee, better run from a stain. 20 carats on my neck and my wrist, bling bling. I'm peak tan, don't need no man. Pretty black skin, make them white girls tan. Screaming in the sand like my #1 fan. Take a sip of this water, Aquafina in ya. I'm sorry, I gotta do me. I struggle too long in the light I see. I do it big for my baby girl and me. Mama gon' be rich one day, she'll see. Holding up Bogarts, I'ma go hard. My flow so sick, I need a nurse in the yard. Flipping all that money like an acrobat. Red chicks was in, now Black is back. Come on, yeah, Miss Black is back. That's where it's at. We blowing stacks. Turn around and make it back. Miss Black is back. That's where it's at. We blowing stacks. Turn around and make it back. That's Black is back. And I'm Tokyo Black. And this is how we do it. Royal Purple Entertainment. I can't show it off no more than this. I'm coming soon. Support your girl. I always remember what you'll do for me. Treat others like you want yourself to be treated. You can't walk up in a place and demand respect and you ain't giving it. So, there you go. Miss Black is back. Black is back for the 2011. I hope y'all like it. Dade County representative.